Here are some shocking miracles of the Quran. As we know, the expansion of the universe is an established scientific fact. Stephen Hawking himself said that the discovery that the universe is expanding was one of the greatest intellectual revolutions of the 20th century, 1400 years ago, to have a miraculous verse in the Quran. It says, "We built the universe with great mights and we are certainly expanding it." And the fact that Stephen Hawking literally said that this is one of the greatest scientific discoveries in the 20th century just shows you that it isn't something that you can just guess. You can't just look up at the sky and be like, oh, the universe is expanding. We only even know about this because of modern scientific technologies that didn't even exist 1400 years ago, and yet put on perfectly aligned with the modern established scientific fact. But wait, it gets even crazier. Not only does science say that the universe is expanding, we now also know that the universe came from one singular point, the Big Bang Theory. Guys, atheists love the Big Bang Theory. Atheist, how do you like this verse in the Quran? Do the disbelievers not realize that the heavens and earth were once one mass? Then we split them apart. But Quran says that everything came from one singular point and Allah is the one that split it apart.